Good morning, Sushi. It's time for phonics. Hello, children. Are you ready for some fridge phonics? Right, today we're going to be doing some word building. So turn on your robot. Beep. Let's get started. The words we're going to build are wind, rest, best, west, sink and blink. Are you ready to build? I hope you've got your tiles ready with the letters written on them so that we can work along together. Or maybe you've got some magnetic letters like me. Okay, you ready to get started? See if you can build the words before I do. I bet you can. First word. Are you ready? Heads down. Wind. Wind. Right. Quick before you do. Wa. 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 Wind. Did you do it, children? Did you get there before me? Don't worry if you didn't, because practice makes perfection. Right, next one. Are you ready? Rest. 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 Goodbye, wind. S. Rest. 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 Don't drop it like me, children. Rest. Did you get there before me? I hope you did. Right, rest. Well done. Gonna need a good rest after this, I think. Right, next one. Like you, you are the best. Best. Don't have to change much. Just have to change the first letter because it looks like it's the same pattern. It rhymes. Rest, best. Rest, best. Right. Did you get there before me? I hope not. I hope I beat you. B-S, best. And it had the same pattern. Est was there, wasn't it? So I just needed to change the first bit. Next one. West. West, west. Just changing the first bit. It rhymes. W. Did you get there before me? W-S. West. Very good. Very good. And change now of rhyme. Sink. Sin. Give you a clue. It's a kicking clue at the end. Sink. Oh. Sin. Kicking car, kicking car, kicking car. Where are you, kicking car? Why are you not up here? Oops. It ran away, children. Found it. Sink. In, sin, sink. Did you get there before me? I bet you did. Next one. Pink. Right, don't have to change much. Don't have to change much. Pink. Pink. Did you get there before me, children? I bet you did. Pink. Sink. It rhymes. Didn't have to change much. There we are. Did you do some fantastic word building there? Did you beat me? If you did, give yourself a pat on the shoulder. If you corrected your mistakes, give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Really proud of you. Well done, class. Keep up the good work. See you next time. Bye. Oh yes, and children, don't forget, write a sentence. Or maybe a couple of sentences using some of the words that you're learning. Practice makes perfect. See you next time. Bye.